Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Hustlers Platform. In this lesson, we will understand what is mathematical function with the syntax. We will see how to use mathematical function in the Java program. So, let's see. Java mathematical function. Java mathematical functions are predefined, which means that they are already defined, and which accept values and return the result. To use mathematical function, we have to use math class in our program. With the help of mathematical function, we can easily solve a complex equation in our program. For example, if you want to find the square root of a number, then we can use square root mathematical function to find the square root of a given number. So, let's see all the important mathematical functions available in Java in more detail. The first is absorption. The abs function returns the absolute value of a number. The number can be an integer, long, float, or double value. Here, absolute value means a number without negative sign. The absolute value of a number is always positive. Let's see the syntax of absolute function. Int abs in bracket int num returns the absolute value of integer data type number. Next is long abs long num. It returns the absolute value of a long data type number. Float abs in bracket float num. It returns the absolute value of float data type number. The next is double abs in bracket double num. It returns the absolute value of double data type number. Let's see the next function, which is main function. The main function returns the smallest among two numbers. The number can be an integer, long, float, or double value. Let's see the syntax of main function. Int means int a comma int b returns the smallest among two integer data type numbers. Long means long a comma long b returns the smallest among two long data type numbers. Float means float a comma float b returns the smallest among two float data type numbers. Double means in bracket double a comma double b. It returns the smallest among two double data type numbers. Let's see the next function, which is max function. The max function returns the greatest among two numbers. The number can be an integer, long, float, or double value. Let's see the syntax of max function. Int max in bracket int comma bit returns the greatest among two integer data type numbers. Long max in bracket long a comma long bit returns the greatest among two long data type numbers. Let's see the float max in bracket float a comma float b returns the greatest among two float data types. Next is the double max in bracket double a comma double b. It returns the greatest among two double data type numbers. Let's see next function, which is square root function. The square root function returns the square root of a positive number. Remember that square root of a negative cannot be calculated. Let's see the syntax of square root function. Double square root double num. A square root function takes input in double data type and returns the result in double data type. You can also pass an integer data type number to the square root function, but the number will be implicitly converted to double data type. Next, see ceil function. The ceil function returns the nearest integer number greater than the number passed at. Let's see the syntax of ceil function. Double ceil double in bracket double num. A ceil function takes input in double data type and returns the result in double data type. You can also pass a float data type number to the ceil function, but the number will be implicitly converted to double data type. Next, see floor function. The floor function returns the nearest integer number less than the number passed as argument. Let's see the syntax of floor function. Double floor in bracket double num. The floor function takes input in double data type and returns the result in double data type. You can also pass a float from data type number to the floor, but the number will implicitly convert to double data type. Next, see the power function. The power function is used to compute the power of a number. Let's see the syntax of power function. Double power in bracket double x comma double y. In mathematics, the power is written as x raised to y. A power function takes two inputs, first as base value and second as power value. In double, data type and return the result in double data type. You can also pass an integer or float data type numbers to the power, but the number will implicitly convert into double data type. Let's see the list of other useful mathematical functions. In the above chart, you can see the other useful mathematical functions. The first is round. Let's see its syntax. In round, in bracket, float x. The round function returns the closest round of the value of x. Next is round, long round, double x. The round function returns the closest round of value of x. Next, see the ring function. The double ring in bracket double x. The ring function returns the double value that is closest in value to the argument and is equal to the mathematical integer. Let's see the cos function. Its syntax is double cos in bracket double x. The cos function returns the cosine of x, where x is expressed in radian. The return value of cos is in the range in bracket -1, 1. Next is a cos function, double a cos in bracket double x. The cos function returns the arc cosine of x, which will be in the range of 0, pi. X should be in between -1 and 1. Value of pi is equals to 3.14, 159 to 65. Next is the cosine, double cosine in bracket double x. The function cosine returns the hyperbolic cosine of x. Next is sine function, double sine in bracket double x. The function sine returns the sine of x, where x is given in radian. The return value of sine will be in the range in bracket -1, 1. Next function is a sine function, double a sine in bracket double x. The asine function returns the arc sine of x, which will be in the range -pi/2, plus pi/2. X should be between -1 and 1. Value of pi is 3.14, 159 to 65. Let's see other mathematical function. Next is tan function, double tan in bracket double x. The tan function returns the tangent of x, where x is given in radians. Next is a tan function, double a tan in bracket double x. The function a tan returns the arc tangent of x, which will be the function of tan returns the arc tangent of x, which will be in the range -pi/2, plus pi/2. Value of pi is 3.14, 159 to 65. Next is a tan 2, double a tan 2 in bracket double y, double x. A tan 2 function computes the arc tangent of y by x using the signs of the arguments to compute the quadrant of the return value. Next is exp function, double exp in bracket double x. The exp function returns e in bracket 2.71, 828, 18 raised to the x power. Next is the function, double log in bracket double x. The function log returns the natural in bracket base e logarithm of x. So I have covered all the mathematical functions in this video. So thanks for watching and be happy.